Welcome to this guide. In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change the project dimension in Vsdc video editor so that you can be able to create a 9:16 Facebook reel. So it is always recommended under the specification of a Facebook reel that can be able to fit on an Android phone screen or any other phone screen should be 9:16. Now you realize that most of the video editors will be able to use the default dimension of whereby we have got the horizontal scenes, but in this case you are required to have the vertical scene. So how do you change um, your scene to be vertical? Now this is Vsdc free video editor that I'm using in this particular tutorial. Now the thing that you're supposed to do, you just click where it is written project 1 here. Once you click on project 1, you'll be able to see the property window appear on this particular side with the specification for that particular project. Now in this case you can see it is showing 1920 by 1080. Now it happens sometimes that that particular part is not there. Now in case you are not seeing the property window, you just go to view and then you go to property. So the moment you click on this property, you'll be able to see the property window appear on this other side. Now what you are supposed to do, you are just supposed to change this width so that it can be able to be 1080 and then your height to be 1920. So by so doing, you have been able to convert, or you have been able to change this scene size to be in a vertical manner. As you can see, it is now in vertical, and therefore when you have a vertical scene, it will be able to accommodate the Facebook reel that you want to create. So thank you so much for listening, and subscribe to my channel so that when I create the next video, you'll be informed. Bye bye for now.